Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you all are healthy and fit. Class, today I'll explain chapter 5, Food We Eat, in which you will get lots of information about your food, types of food, and also we discuss some healthy eating habits. Students, we have three dire needs: clothes, shelter, and food. So, food is our one of our dire needs. We cannot live without food. All of us need food to eat, and so we eat it every day. Have you ever thought why we need food to eat? What happens when we do not eat anything for a whole day? If we do not eat food, we will feel weak. We are not able to do any type of work. All the energy that we need comes from food. It helps to grow, it gives us energy to work and play, and also help us to fight disease and keeps us healthy. Now the question arises, from where we get these food? All type of food that we eat come from plants and animals. So first we discuss food that we get from plant. Most of the food that we eat we get from plants as fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, nuts, spices, oils, tea, coffee and sugar, etc. Now come to animals. Food items like milk, eggs, meat, fish, chicken and honey are obtained from animals. Children, we can divide all these type of food in three groups: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. First is energy giving food. Food items like wheat, rice, potatoes, oil, ghee, butter, etc. give us energy to do work and play. When we eat such type of food, we are quite energetic to do every work. So these are called energy giving food. Second is body building food. Food item like milk, cheese, eggs, pulses, meat and fish help our body to grow. So these are called body building food. Children, your mama daily insists you to drink milk. Why? Because milk is very healthy for you and so you have to drink daily 1 or 2 glasses of milk. Now last is protective food. Fruits and vegetables are in the category of protective food because fruits and vegetables help our body to fight against disease, so they are called protective food. Now student, in your diet all these three type of food items should be in proportion. Then you become fit and healthy. When you take such proportioned diet, your diet become balanced diet. Besides this balanced diet, you should drink plenty of water. This water is very beneficial for our body. In these days, you can see that the atmosphere is very hot. So, you all should drink lots of water and eat cold food items. Now students, you should adopt some healthy eating habits too, that you may become healthy. These are, first of all, you should eat your meals at fixed time. Daily you should eat your food at a fixed time, not as you wish. And one thing very important, you should wash your hand before and after meal. Eat fresh and clean food. Avoid talking while eating. Some children are in the habit when they are eating something, they always busy with talking. That is a very bad habit. So leave this. Do not eat uncovered food because uncovered food is not the healthy food. Germs enter and that food is very unhygienic. Chew your food properly. Never do overeating. Sometimes when mama cook a very delicious dish, you wish to eat more and more, but that is wrong. Never waste food and water. Children, that is very important. You should learn it. Food and water should not be wasted. When you go in a party, you take lots of food item in your plate, and when you cannot eat, you throw it into the dustbin. That is a very bad habit. Some students, some children are here in this world that they are deprived from these food items. So do not waste food and water. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. That is very important. Water is very helpful in digestion, so you should drink plenty of water. Now children, one thing you should also know that some food can be eaten raw. Generally we cook food to make it soft and tasty, but some food item can be eaten without cook. Yeah, you may say uncooked. This is as carrot, radish, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, chilies, etc. These can be eaten raw, and all type of fruits you eat raw. Now students, I am going to tell you something that I think very important. You all like to eat pizza, burger, chow mein, chips, samosas, momos, cold drink. These are called junk food because these are not healthy food. No doubt these are the tasty food but not healthy. When you eat it regularly, you become ill. You have so many disease and your digestion system become fail. So if you want it, you should eat it occasionally, not daily. Now I hope everything is clear to you. And so goodbye class. This is your chapter.